DVC Deluxe Studio Jambo House, room 5241. This one is a dedicated studio. There is no adjoining door to a one bedroom. So here we go. I love that they have nice big mirrors. This is just a closet here with an ironing board and iron. Some extra areas where you can hang clothes. We have our kitchenette, which has a refrigerator, toaster, coffee maker, microwave, and in the cabinets they have a few paper dishes and plastic utensils, which is just fine for a deluxe studio. Nice little spot to sit or put your suitcase. This is the main area here. Nice queen bed, sofa bed. My friend Eeyore, who joined me on this trip. Table and chairs. Excuse my mess already. A dresser with drawers and some chargers there. And then we have a wardrobe, which has a hairdryer, and it has a safe, hangers, a luggage holder, an extra pillow and blanket, and such for the sofa bed. So very nice. I like this room. I love the artwork that they have. I love that it still has a ceiling fan. Here's the bathroom. Nice size bathroom. So you have the double sink, and then you have the toilet and tub shower combination in the room over here with another full-length mirror. So that's really nice if you have multiple people getting ready. Now this room would sleep 4 because it has the queen bed and then the queen sofa bed. So it is not one of the deluxe studios for DVC that does 5. So very nice, very nice. Here is the balcony, nice size balcony. 2 chairs and a table, very nice size. This room is nice and close to the lobby. You can see one of the areas where you walk out of the lobby to view the animals. And then you can see some of the animals. Now it's very hot today and we've had a lot of rain, so it's very steamy. So it could be that many of them are not out and about at this time. So this room is decently close, nice and close to the lobby. It's also nice and close to the elevator. It is not on the side of the resort with the pool. It is on the other side, but that works just fine. So very nice. I like this. Very nice. Here are just a few more views of the room, as well as some views from my balcony. Some of the animal pictures are zoomed in, but I really enjoyed my stay here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. This was Jambo House. This is a studio DVC villa. However, anybody can book one of these DVC villas, no matter the size, with cash. You do not need to be a DVC member in order to do that. If you would like to see the studio that is that is not dedicated studio, that can be part of a 2-bedroom lock-off, I can put that link into the comments so that you can look at that as well. So that was a room from a prior stay. So again, please enjoy some of the views and Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House.